Hi everyone, welcome back to the LYNQ Kitchen. I'm here with Geneva. Hi Geneva.
Hi.
So today we're making apple donuts. So I've never tried this. It is such an easy recipe for an after-school snack, right?
I'm excited.
You're excited, right? So it's not a real donut. We're using an apple as the donut.
It's technically a healthy donut.
That's right. Okay, so we are using Invincible powder. So I just put the apples right now in some lemon juice and water just to soak them so they don't brown. I cored them with this Squeezy Pro apple corer. When you core the apple using this Squeezy Pro, you know how normally you have to go in and take out the core of the apple? You just clip it and it falls. Really cool. We're going to take the peanut butter. I'm going to put it in a bigger bowl just so I can mix in the tablespoon of Invincible. So I'm going to mix the Invincible in with the peanut butter so we'll get our fruit and vegetables. We are going to take the apple. We're going to pat it dry. Then we'll just spread the peanut butter mixed with Invincible or the apple. And then we're going to just decorate it. So Geneva requested rainbow sprinkles. You could put some nuts, some granola, chocolate chips. So I'm going to put some granola on mine. This is such a fun recipe. Actually, you could also do it with your kids. You could also put some yogurt on it. Now let's eat it and see how it tastes. Delicious. This is definitely a thumbs up. A definite thumbs up. These are really good. I love it. I think the kids would love it too. Healthy, easy, great for a back to school snack, right? Wouldn't you love coming home to this?
After school snack.
Oh, yes, back to school, after school. Great for an after school snack. Let me just read. My son gave me notes how to end. Okay, just a few how to end this YouTube video. So thank you all for watching the video. Make sure to click the subscribe button and follow us. Give us a thumbs up. We corked the apples using this Squeezy Pro, which I love because it's so easy to cork the apple.
Core, taking out the core, like the middle. That's me.
I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, let's start over. Should we start from the beginning?